problem your teeth? Black teeth, teeth pain, gingivitis, gum disease. So use the bamboo charcoal powder. Activated bamboo charcoal is a fine black powder that is very absorbent. This process increases the absorbency of tea molecules, so that more toxins and impurities can be absorbed. As a teeth whitener, it absorbs impurities and whitens teeth when used regularly. Activated bamboo charcoal massager 20,228 orders. Average star rating, 4.8 out of 5. Buyer protection. Full refund if you don't receive your order. Payment methods. We support the following payment methods. Just visit the description link. Get more details and buy here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.